Tom is always late. Every day he misses the bus. His friends laugh. His boss is not happy. But Tom always says, "It's okay. Tomorrow I will be early." Today is different. Today is very important. Tom has a job interview at 9 o'clock. The office is far away. He must take the 8:30 bus. Tom sets 3 alarms, 6 o'clock, 6:15, 6:30. He goes to bed early. Tomorrow will be different, he says. The next morning, the first alarm rings. Tom opens one eye. 5 more minutes, he says. He closes his eye. The second alarm rings. Tom turns it off. He does not open his eyes. The third alarm rings. Tom sits up. He looks at the clock. It is 7:55. No, no, no. Tom jumps out of bed. He runs to the bathroom. He washes his face with cold water. He puts on his shirt. The shirt is inside out. He puts on his shoes. They are on the wrong feet. Tom runs out of the house. He runs down the street. He can see the bus stop. He can see the bus. The doors are closing. "Wait, please wait," Tom shouts. He waves his arms. The bus driver sees Tom. The driver smiles. The doors open again. Tom gets on the bus. He breathes heavily. His hair is messy. His shirt is still inside out. An old woman looks at him and laughs. "Big day today?" she asks. Tom laughs too. "Yes," he says, "a very big day." He looks at his watch. It is 8:31. He is 1 minute late, but this time it is okay. Why is today important for Tom? He has a job interview. What time is Tom's bus? 8:30. How many alarms does Tom set? 3.
Wait! Wait! Ah! Oh no!